Here's the thing, Romy baby. Your protection is based on the fact that people are scared of you. Just like they're scared of Mr. J. But I'm the one they should be scared of. Not you, not Mr. J. Because I'm Harley fucking Quinn.
That was super embarrassing.
Sure was.
You think you can beat me? You're a fucking moron.
I'm sorry, kid. And I'm sorry I tried to sell you. That was a dick move. For what it's worth, you made me want to be a less terrible person.
Ew.
If we're apologizing for shit, I should tell you something.
Excuse me?
I stole something from you.
You slippery-fingered little turd.
I took your ring.
My ring?